The sub-249-gram drone market is about to change forever, and nobody is truly ready for what is coming next. Imagine a drone that fits in your palm but packs the raw power of a massive professional rig. For months, the entire drone community has been whispering about one specific machine. Insiders, tech analysts, and seasoned pilots are all pointing toward the same massive shift. DJI is quietly preparing to release the Mini 6 Pro. This is not just another minor update with a new coat of paint. Rumors suggest DJI is about to bridge the gap between their compact lineup and their heavy-duty Air series. Even though we are in mid-2026 without a formal announcement, the leaked details tell a fascinating story. To understand why this is a massive deal, you have to look at how the Mini 5 Pro changed the game. That previous model already felt like black magic. It gave us a massive 1-inch sensor, full obstacle sensing that worked in the dark, and a tilting gimbal that defied physics. It even delivered professional 10-bit color profiles while staying safely under the legal weight limit. Back then, people said compact drones had officially hit a ceiling. There was simply no physical room left to grow without breaking the weight laws. Yet the upcoming Mini 6 Pro aims to shatter that ceiling completely by attacking the three biggest limitations of small drones: camera optics, thermal management, and smart flight intelligence. The crown jewel of this new drone is undoubtedly the rumored camera system. Insiders point toward a brand new 1-inch stacked sensor architecture. While the physical size stays the same as the previous generation, the way it processes light is completely different. In a standard sensor, the wiring sits next to the light pixels, which slows down data transfer. A stacked sensor places the brain of the camera directly behind the pixels. This creates lightning-fast readout speeds that completely eliminate rolling shutter distortion. If you have ever filmed a quick camera pan and noticed buildings leaning sideways, that is rolling shutter. With a stacked sensor, your high-speed action shots stay perfectly straight and crisp. The rumors also tease massive 6K video recording at 60 frames per second. While that number sounds incredible on a retail box, it presents a massive engineering nightmare. Small, sealed plastic bodies trap heat like an oven. Recording heavy 6K video at high frame rates generates intense thermal energy. Realistic expectations suggest DJI might limit full 6K 60 frames to short bursts to prevent overheating, while standard 6K at 30 frames will handle the longer recording sessions. But the real feature that has professional cinematographers losing their minds is the addition of a mechanical variable aperture. For years, small drone pilots had to land their craft every time the sun went behind a cloud just to manually swap out physical filters. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature an adjustable aperture ranging from f1.7 down to f11. This means you can control your exposure digitally mid-flight right from your remote controller. You can easily adapt to changing sunlight, soften your background, and keep your shutter speed perfect without ever touching the lens. Fitting a complex moving mechanical shutter into a tiny camera module without adding weight is a legendary engineering achievement. Combined with this hardware, DJI is introducing a new computational photography engine dubbed Sensor 4. This system uses advanced artificial intelligence to clean up low-light noise and boost dynamic range before the video file even hits your memory card. The result is a cinematic image that looks perfectly graded straight out of the camera. Weight management is the ultimate battleground for the Mini series, especially when dealing with the battery. Some wild rumors claim DJI will use advanced silicon anode battery technology to achieve a staggering 60 minutes of flight time. Silicon anode cells hold far more energy than traditional batteries of the same size. However, we have to look at the math realistically. A stacked sensor, a motorized aperture, and complex cooling systems all add physical weight to the frame. To keep the drone under the strict 249-gram limit, DJI will likely balance these features out, giving us a highly realistic and still deeply impressive 40 minutes of actual flight time. To keep the structure rigid without adding bulk, DJI is reportedly using carbon fiber reinforced components in the arms and internal frame. This extra rigidity means the drone can fight heavy winds easily, staying perfectly stable in conditions that usually toss small drones around like paper toys. Flight safety and connectivity are also getting a massive overhaul. While the previous generation used the stable 04 transmission system, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to introduce an upgraded 04 Plus, or an early variant of 05. The goal here is not just achieving ridiculous distance records in the middle of a desert. The real focus is conquering urban interference. This new transmission system is designed to pierce through thick concrete buildings, heavy radio static, and crowded city signals without dropping your live video feed. Alongside better signal strength comes a highly advanced tracking system called Active Track 7. This represents a massive leap forward because it uses predictive tracking algorithms. Instead of just blindly following a target, the drone can now anticipate where you are walking. If you walk behind a thick tree or a concrete pillar, the drone calculates your exit path and immediately reacquires you the moment you step back into view. Rumors also suggest laser-based depth sensing will assist the obstacle sensors, making high-speed nocturnal flights incredibly safe. This massive leap in technology is driven by intense market pressure in 2026. Competitors are flooding the market with cheap, capable sub-250-gram drones, forcing DJI to make their premium Mini line distinctly superior. Furthermore, shifting drone regulations around the world mean creators need a dependable, professional tool that bypasses heavy paperwork. According to typical industry cycles, we can expect the Mini 6 Pro to drop in late 2026 or early 2027, with premium bundles landing between $999 and $1,899. My honest take on this machine is simple. The Mini 6 Pro does not need to rely on flashy gimmick specs to win. If DJI successfully delivers a stable stacked sensor alongside a true variable aperture within a legal weight limit, they will create the ultimate tool for solo filmmakers. It completely eliminates the need to carry heavy gear bags, making high-end production accessible anywhere on Earth. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech breakdowns.